Hi, today I want to give you a short review on HBorna iPad 9.7 inch case for iPads 2017, 18, Air 2, basically different iPad models that are 9.7 inch across. So I just got this, and this is the case that also has a pencil holder. You're gonna be able to store it on the side. So the case seems very plastic in terms of flexibility. It's not made out of plastic, but it looks like it's made out of like a good quality thick silicone. So it's pretty thick. I would say probably like a good 2 millimeters, and it's very flexible. Has the holes for all your accessories and for the speakers. So let's fit it in, see how it fits my iPad. I have 2017 iPad 9.7 inch. Let's see how it fits. I guess I'm gonna put it from the side. Alrighty. It's the first time I'm putting it on. Well, fits really good. Well, if you have a pencil, it's gonna be even better. And to give you close-ups, so you can see there's a perfect cutout for your charging cable and for your speakers. Big generous cutout for your volume buttons, and a nice big cutout for your camera. The power button is covered, but you can click it pretty easy. So there is a cutout on right upper side and left upper side. There is not a cutout for your phone jack. Okay, so there is one cutout for your microphone, and this is, I guess, another microphone over here. It gives you nice firm touch on the back of the iPad, whether you use it this way or that way. It's a really nice cover. Clear, so you can see the back of your iPad. Whether you have the pencil or not, this actually will give you additional grip if you don't have it. I have to say I like it, so I can recommend it to anybody else. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.